Travis Frank here with Rapid Marine. Your trailer will take a beating on smooth roads, on rough roads, in and out of the water, even when it's in storage in changing weather conditions. A little bit of maintenance will extend the life of your trailer. Let's start with the bearings. Rapid Marine recommends that you have your trailer bearings inspected each fall during the normal winterization process. It's also a good idea to have them looked at again in the spring before you hit the open water. If you're somebody that puts on a lot of miles on the road on your trailer and you take it in and out of the water a lot, it's also a good idea to check them every couple of months. It's really as simple as taking a grease gun, putting it right there, squeezing a little grease in there, and your trailer bearings are going to be good to go. Next, it's important to check the brake fluid on your trailer, and that's as simple as taking off this cap here and this one. I look inside and I can say, yep, I'm full, or if I need to add a little bit, it's just pouring in a little bit of brake fluid. Put the cap back on, and I'm good to go. It's amazing, but the techs here at Rapid Marine say that when they get used boats in, a lot of times the brake fluid is really low in the reservoir or completely drained. And that means that the trailer brakes aren't going to work at all. So by checking the brake fluid and the bearings, I make sure that my trailer is always going to run as smooth as my boat.